nagbabalik para sa ating third quarter. 32-42 ang ating talaan. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon para sa 2025 Seniors Division? Madedepensahan kaya ng defending champion ang Bad Boys Tangerine, or maaagaw na sa kanila ang titulo ngayon? Pero sa tingin ko, hindi naman papayag ang defending champion. Gusto nilang maka-Grand Slam ngayong taon. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang sa ating laban ngayon. Okay, back to the ball game. Dami sinabi, no? Alright, Melo Cotton, may tangan ng bola. Nico, pass to Alvin, pass to Patrick, top of the key, short, rebound by John. Here comes Teodoro. Cardenas for 3, wala, rebound, no, rebound by De La Guerra. Pass to Nico, kick out. Here comes Novio, pass to Alvin for 3, short, rebound by Paul Cardenas. Here comes Jola, pass to Bien. Villamayor, backdoor pass to Paul. Paul, umatake, using the glass, basket is good. Para kay Paul Cardenas, baba sa single digit. Ang labang ng defending champion, Patrick, steal by Jeng. Outlet pass, steal by Nico, and a rebound. Patrick Cachapero, may tangan na bola, pass to RJ. RJ binigay sa post, De La Guerra. Kick out to Alvin. Alvin to Patrick. Pull up, basket is good. By Mr. MVP, Patrick Cachapero. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng defending champion. Here comes Jola. Jola with a hesi, pinasa sa corner. Teodoro with a stop. Ooh! Yes, a foul. Foul number 1. That is Patrick Cachapero. Ayan na. Pass to Cardenas from the top of the key and gets the foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 14, Jeng Teodoro. Fisher scored 35. Ayun na, umatake, Patrick, no, rebound by Diola. John, pinasa post, here comes Bien, no, rebound by Cachapero, 3 against 2, Cachapero, pass to RJ, top of the key for 3, no, rebound by Alvin binigay. Step back 3 para kay Cachapero, no, rebound. Teodoro nagmamadali, 3 against 3. Here comes Paul and get the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 12, Paul Cardenas. Basket is good. Second shot is good for Paul Cardenas. 37-44 in favor pa rin sa defending champion. Nico to Earl. Earl. Pinasa gitna. Rayel. It's a foul number 20. Jason Reyes. Earl looking for his teammate. Pinigay. Patrick with the ball. Cachapero tumira sa tres and gets the foul. In the line, jersey number 1, Patrick Cachapero. Tatlo yan for sa ating MVP. Second shot, basket, isa pa. Tatlo yan for sa ating MVP. 3 for 3 for Patrick Cachapero, 47-37. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng defending champion. There comes Bien. Bien to Paul. Paul pass to Bien from elbow 3. Basket is good. 3-point para kay Bien Villamayor. 47-40. Pass to Patrick Cachapero setting on for ISO. Hingi ng pick. Cachapero from top of the key, short and out of bounds. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Teodoro, pass to Kenneth. Tobis, crossover. Steal. Ayan na si Melo Cotton. Melo Cotton, and there's a blocking foul. That is for team foul. Warning for penalty. Earl Gonzalez, pass to Melo Cotton. Ayan na. Crossover. Here comes Nico. Pass to Bosky. Back to Nico. Melo Cotton setting on the play. Nico. Hingi na pick. Drop pass. Oh, steal by Teodoro. Out that pass. Here comes Kenneth. Oh! Oh my! It's a foul daw, sabi ng ating referee. shot for Kenneth Tobis. No good. Nico. Ayan na si Nico. Drop pass. Steal by Kenneth. Pass to Chodoro. Chodoro. Umatake and gets the foul. Foul number 1. Patrick Cachapero. That is second personal foul for Patrick. Cashin on the line in jersey number 14. Chodoro Jengjeng. Basket para kay Jengjeng. No good. Rebound. Here comes Alvin. Nobio. Oy. Gets the foul. Foul number 18. Atienza, LA. Shooting in the line for Alvin Nobio. First shot, no good. Second shot for Alvin. No, rebound. LA Atienza. Pass to Kenneth. Pass to Yanga. Here comes Joe. Yanga and gets the foul. Yeah, shooting on the line, jersey number 9, Joe Yanga Adamos. First shot para kay Joe, wala. Second shot for Joe. Basket. Baba sa lamang ng defending champion. Alright, both team under penalty situation. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. 47-42. Tingnan mo natin ang huddle ng ating official. Last ball possession para sa mga naki-team. Atienza may tanga ng bola. Atienza nabitawan, wala. Rebound by Joe, block from behind. Rebound by Rombines. Rombines with the ball. Pass to Alvin. Alvin nagmamadali. Pass to Patrick from the elbow. No, rebound. Gets the foul, number 1. That is Patrick Cachapero. Penalty tayo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Metro area, bien. Shoutout kay paring John Adam Mangahas. Sabi ni Inside JR Valerio. Okay, shot para kay Bien Villamayor, 2 for 2. 47-44. Here comes Patrick. Crossover. Patrick. Ay na, atake si Patrick. Running shot. Basket para kay Patrick. Gotcha, pero balik sa lamang ng defending champion. Tobis, backdoor pass to Bien. Villamayor, stop and pop. No, rebound by Robines. Pass to Rayel. Here comes Rayel. Still by LA. LA nabitawan. Uy! It's the foul. Foul number 9. That is Alvin Nobio. Second shot for LA, wala. Rebound by Rayel. Pass to Alvin. Alvin to Patrick. Patrick, crossover. Uy, nabitawan. Patrick to Rayel. Hand off. Pass to Rayel. To Patrick. Patrick. Tumira. Uy. Steal. Here comes Kenneth. The guy. LA. Steal. Nakakuha ni Alvin. Alvin. Binigay kay Patrick. From elbow for 3. No. No. Basket count. May kasama pang foul by Patrick. Gotcha, pero dito si Joyanga Adamos. Okay, shooting the line, jersey number 1, Patrick Cachapero rather, for a 3-point play. Basket is good. 52-45. Lamang pa rin ang defending champion. Tobis, pass to Jeng. Pass to Bien. Uy! There's a foul, number 1. Warning! Fourth personal foul na po dito. Si Idol Patrick Cachapero. Basket is good. Delagera coming in for Patrick. 46-52. Mabasa 6 ang labang ng mga Tangerine. Shaquille Arsiaga setting on the play. Pass to. Here comes Kim. Oh, gets a foul again by Joyanga. On the free throw area, jersey number 5, KG. Uy, short. Second shot for Kim or KG. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Black Ducks. LA. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth to LA. LA di-discarte. LA umatake. Bigay. Still. Makakuha ni Shaquille. Here comes Shaquille. Top of the key for 3. Short. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Here comes Jola. Jola. Pass to Jeng Jeng. Spin. Jeng Jeng. Uy. Ayun na. Bien. Basket para kay Bien. Kim. Natahan ng bola. Kim. Pass to Arsiaga. Arsiaga selling on the play. Arsiaga. Uy. De La Guerra, no! Dito mama po. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola mapupunta sa Black Ducks. Borde. Pa lang. 48. Alright, back to the ball game. Comes Paul, pass to Jeng Jeng, to Jola, back to Jeng Jeng, top of the key for 3, no, rebound by Rombines. Shaquille, outlet pass, makakuha rito. Bien, Villamayor using the glass, basket. Babasa dalawang lamang. Kim, pass the shot, top from the corner, yes sir! Ayan na, 3-point, Chodoro, babawi sa 3, wala! Rebound by Shaquille. Kim. Setting on the play. KG. May tanga ng bola. Hand off to Shaq. Shaquille from the elbow. No rebound. Rayel sa loob. Wala pa rin. Here comes Rayel. And gets a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 34, Rayel Parada. Last 9 seconds lamang po natitira sa ating third quarter. Basket is good for Rayel. Second shot for Rayel. Parada, wala. Rebound by Jeng Jeng. 9 seconds. 6, 5. Jola, 3, 2. Paul for 3. Oh! And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score of 56-50 in favor of the defending champion, ang Bad Boys Tangerine. Alright, dito tayo nadako na sa ating fourth and exciting quarter. Ang fourth quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon this season 2025 sa ating senior division? Ang Black Ducks kaya or ang Steel, the Grand Slam? Ang Bad Boys Tangerine. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Ayun ha. What a good sportsmanship for this both team. Ayan. Helping their opponent. Fourth quarter coming up sa ating pagbabalik. And shout out. Uy, may kuko. Thank you. Shout out kay boss. Ay, si Pagawad.
Sige sa kayo.
Bigay mo na lang. Thank you. Wow, thank you.
Dapat! Ipapagod yung pare ko eh!
Thank you.
Yan!
Thank you to all. Thank you. Ano kaya ito? Shout out po. Maraming salamat sa pagkain.
Job, big salute!
Ayan na. Sino kaya?
Good. Public champion sinyo. History in Parada. Dalawa mag-champion.
Yun.
And one league.
Play natin yan.
History yun o.
Wala ka ng boses na. Okay. Fourth quarter. Let's go. Dito daw. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Let's go, fourth quarter. Here comes John. Jola, pass to PR. Lozano, floater. Oh, in and out. Rebound ng Bad Boys. Oh, steal! Kenneth all the way. Basket is good. Oh! Wala pa. Kalma lang. Real pass to KG. Here comes Kim. The guy. RJ to Kim. Here comes Kim. Spin move using the glass and gets the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 5, Gonzalez, Kim. RKG. Basket is good for KG. Maraming salamat po sa Stars. Julian Antonio. Maraming salamat po sa Pastar. I hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating live. 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. 57-52. Tobis for 3. Short. Rebound by Rayel. Pass to KG. Here comes Kim. Ayan na si Kim. The guy, De La Guerra, fake pass to Rayel. Oy! Nakalusot si Rayel Parada. 59-52. Balik sa solo. Another steal. Here comes Shaq. 1-on-1. Oh! Basket para kay Shaquille. Yun lang may iniinda doon. Bigla si Shaq Chodoro and gets the foul. Foul number 35, that's Abriel RJ. Nasa corner, here comes Jola. Jola. Nasa post. Ayan na. Ang lalim yan para kay Paul Cardenas. 54-61. Hand off to RJ. Abriel. Pass to Shaq. Shaquille. Oy, bad pass. Steal by Chodoro. Pass to Paul. Paul. Fade away shot. No. Rebound. Chodoro. Wala. Rebound by RJ. Behind the back. Ayan na si RJ. Abriel waiting for his teammate. Pass to Kim. Kim to RJ. Backdoor pass. Nasa gitna. De La Guerra and one. Sumabay ka ba? Para kay De La Guerra. Jersey number 25 on the free throw area for a 3-point play. De La Guerra. Time remaining 7 minutes. Shout out. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Bonus shot for De La Guerra. No rebound. Makukuha ni Paul. Paul to Kenneth. Pass to Jeng Jeng. Chodoro. May tanga ng bola. Pull up jumper. No rebound by Rayel. Pass to RJ. To Kim. Kim. Pass to RJ from the elbow three. Bang! 3-point! Para kay RJ Abril. Ayan na. Time out dito. Ang Black Ducks. Ayan natin ang huddle ni Coach De La Cruz. Time remaining 7 minutes and 4 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, congratulations sa ating champion. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Ayun na, Kenneth. Pass to Paul. Pass to Bien. Villamayor. To Paul. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Paul. Paul binigay. Jeng Jeng for 3. Short. Rebound by RJ. RJ to Kim, pass to Shaq. Shaq, inubos ito ang oras. Setting on the play. Didepensahan ni Paul. Ayan na si Shaq. Shaq binigay. RJ, pinasa sa loob. Oh! That is KG. Gonzalez Kim. 68-54. Kobe, spin, nabitawan. Tip comes out and pass. Shaquille, akin na to! Para kay Shaquille. Arsiaga. Bien, Villamayor. Attacking the basket and gets the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 88, Villamayor. Bien. para kay Bien. Second shot for Bien. Villamayor. 2 for 2 for Bien. 55, 56, 70. Ayan na, De La Guerra. 1-on-1. Uy. Get stop. Oh, double dribble. Bola rito. Mapupunta sa block. Blocks. Here comes ball. Cardenas, binigay. Villamayor, block by De La Guerra. De La Guerra, Villamayor. Here comes ball. Cardenas, wala. Rebound. RJ, out and pass. Oy, natapigan ni Kenneth. Makakuha ni RJ. RJ, step back to back. Ana, pabawi na tres. Back! Nakabawi ang Black Taxon. Here comes Mo Arsiaga. Uy, nabitawan. 59. Oh, correction, that's 58. 2 points lang daw po yan. 58-72. Villamayor, block from behind. Nakakuha. LA, fade away shot. Short. Villamayor, drop pass. Joe Yanga with a putback. Arsiaga, may tanga ng bola. Pinasa. Uy, bad pass. Time out. Dito ang defending champion. Time remaining 4 minutes and 23 seconds. 70-60. Lamang ng 12 ang defending champion. Ball game. Ball to Kenneth. Back to ball. Back to Kenneth. Binigay. Warang extra pass. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha rito. Si Villamayor. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Kay Patrick. Cachapero. Tunico. Melo Cotton. Mantangan ng bola. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Ayan na. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pull up jumper. Basket count. And 1. Oopsie. Counted daw po pero technical. Oo. Graduate si Idol Nico Melo Cotton, pero pasok yun. 60-74 ang ating pa rin, ang ating talaan. Counted po yun, ha. Cardenas basket. Last ball possession para sa Black Ducks. 74-61. LA Atienza, stop and pop, using the board. Basket is good. 63-74. Balik sa 11 ang Alamangan. Here comes Kim. Pass to Cachapero. Patrick Sering on the play. Patrick. Ayan na. Umatake. Block. Out of bounds. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Patrick. Ayan na. Double team. Oh. Ball number 12. Palit bola muna tayo. Time remaining. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. 74-63 ang ating talaan. Ayan na, binigay. Shaquille, catch and shoot. So, rebound. Patrick. Crossover. Uy, ayan na si Patrick. Umatake. Block. Catch up pero with the reverse. No. Rebound by Rayel and gets the foul. Foul number 88, William Mayor. Oo, natrasan niyo. Dikdikan sila doon sa loob eh. On the free throw area, jersey number 34, Rayel Parada. Oy, wala. Second shot for Rayel. Basket is good. 75-63. Last 3 minutes na lamang po ang natitira sa ating fourth quarter. Kobe, pass to Kenneth. To Paul. Pass to Kobe. Pinigay. Ayan na si Joe. Lianga, atake. Drop pass to Jeng Jeng. Teodoro to Kenneth. Top of the key. Bang! 3 points para kay Kenneth. Tobis. De La Guerra. Basto. Here comes Patrick. Catch up pero and gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 1. Patrick Cachapero. First shot is good for Patrick. Second shot for Patrick. Basket is good. 2 for 2 for Cachapero. Patrick. Ayan na. Obis. Pass to Jeng Jeng. Pass to Pinagay. Oy, basket is good. May kasama mang foul para kay Bien Villamayor. One shot for Villamayor for a 3-point play. No, rebound by Rayel. Rayel. Good, walang tawag. Kim. Pass to Shaq, steal. And gets the pushing foul. For Shaquille Arshaga. Ayan Ayan na, malapit na tayo sa dulo. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Tobis, may tanga ng bola. Tobis, pass to. Last 2 minutes. Villamayor, 4-3. Wala. Uy. Time out, Bad Boys, Tangerine. Alright. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Correction, that's the Bad Boys. Ayan na. Novio, pass to Patrick, back to Novio. Alvin, Naitawed, pass to Patrick. Setting on the play. Patrick. 7 seconds shot clock. Oh, nabitawan. Still, here comes Kenneth all the way. Basket is good. 70-77. Mabasap ito ang lamang ng defending champion. Oh, bad pass. Still. Bien. Out of bounds. One minute and 22 seconds. Time out. Time out dito ang Black Ducks. Yan natin na-huddle dito ni Coach De La Cruz. Time remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Villamayor. Sino tatanggap? Binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth. Binigay. Uy, nabitawan. Last touch by Joe Yanga. Humihingi na nga. Ayan na, naka-full press defense. De La Guerra, binigay. Here comes Patrick, pass to De La Guerra. De La Guerra, pass to Shaq. From elbow 3, short. Rebound. Ayan na, si Cardenas. Pass to Teodoro. Teodoro, step back to basket. It's good. Mabasa 5. Ayan na. Patrick, nagmamadali. Derecho and gets the foul. What a hard foul. By Joe Yanga Damos. Kapulata sa mukha si Idol. Time remaining, last 55 seconds.
First, ahis mo rin ang parada. Isang kulay.
Ayan na. Patrick Cachapero. for a crucial free throw. Basket is good ang kanyang unang free throw attempt. Second shot. Basket na naman. 2 for 2 for Patrick. Last 55 seconds. Kenneth. Pass to Paul. Back to Kenneth. Pass to Joe. Yanga. Atake. Drop pass. Oh! There's a foul. Foul number 34. Riel Parada. On the free throw area, jersey number 88, Villamayor. First shot is good. Mabas anim. Ayan na, Villamayor. Basket is good. Out the pass. Oh, ayun na nagagawan. Last touch, same ball. Last 43 seconds. Baba sa limang lamang ng defending champion. Last 43 seconds. Tingnan natin. Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Kim, pass to Patrick. Patrick. Isolation play. Tubien. Ayan na si Patrick. Fade away shot. No. Rebound by Paul. Here comes Kenneth. Pass to Villamayor. Villamayor. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Kenneth. Pass to Chodoro. Chodoro. Nabitawan ni Joe. Makukuha ni Paul. Pinigay kay Kenneth for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Talagera. Pass to Revel. Revel. Ayan na. At dito na po nagtatapos ang laban. Wow. Alright. Congratulations. Grabe yan. Congratulations. And still the back-to-back champion. A Grand Slam for Bad Boys Tangerine. Grabe yun. And a nice game, syempre, para sa ating Black Dogs. Grabe ang intense na laban na yun from both team. Ayan, that's a wrap. Makita-kita po tayo for our next live. Maraming salamat. What a Grand Slam. Grabe, ang laban na yun. Our final score, 79-74. And still a champion, the Bad Boys Tangerine sa ating seniors division. Congratulations! And muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta natin live. Kukuryo, nandiyan ang Kukuryo Charity Program by Sir Bien and Sir Benito Legarda and the TGIF, the champion sa ating juniors. Nandiyan ang JND Alub Sizzling Hub by Coach Kobe Pedragosa and the ALX Cargo Logistic Corporation. At syempre, nandyan pa rin ang Pax. Ayan, sa mga apparel. Meron silang mga brief and t-shirts. Ayan. Sandos as well. And the champion, the Anima Verde. Alright, hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating awarding. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.